We'll guide you through how to make multiple YouTube channels under one Google or Gmail account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. So for whatever reason you want to make multiple channels or make a second or a third, it doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through the steps. Perhaps you're wanting to go and have a brand channel because currently your main channel's got your name in, so you want one with like a brand account. Or you want to go and make a channel for a different style of content. Perhaps you're going from gaming to in real life or something else. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this to make sure there's full guide so you know what you need to do. So to get started, you come to YouTube as we are here. And what you need to do is head to the top right. There you go and see a sign in button. Go and sign in if you aren't already. You can see in my case, I can see my profile icon as I'm already signed in. So then what we can do is we can go and click there like so, and you'll see a list of options. What you need to do is go and head down to the bottom. There you're going to find the option for settings. So we can head here and get straight to our account settings. Now what you need to do is you want to come into the section, your YouTube channel and your channel. You'll see some different options and you need to press add or manage your channels. So go and click there. You're going to see I've got multiple different channels here as I've already made more. You want to go and find the option for create a channel. So go and click there. You're then going to get this pop-up. So here you can go and see this is used to publicly represent your channel on YouTube. So what you can do is go and select your profile picture if you want to. You can do that later as well. You do need to go and enter in a name though. So I could go and type in guide. You want to make it something unique and easy to find. Then you have your handle. So this does have to be unique. You can't go and have anything, the name of anybody else's. So then we can press create channel, go away and it's going to be created and you're automatically going to be switched to it. As you can see, it may say it doesn't exist. We just created it. If you refresh, it now is. Start customizing the channel here.